Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about Infinity Processing System and if it is a scam. All right, now I talked about this money-making opportunity a few weeks ago and let people know I joined it. I'm a part of it. I actually own it. I promote it, and I'm here to let you know 100%. Okay, for anybody who's a little curious or doubtful, IPS is a legit money making opportunity. Guys, I was promoting this on TikTok, and I got actually somebody called me and they were asking me questions. Now, I'm gonna keep it real. Obviously, this person, is not, used to online marketing or never even dealt with internet marketing on any level. So, I had to be cool and all, but they were like asking me questions that to me and maybe even to you already know the answer to. But it made me really think like, oh wow, this opportunity really isn't that clear. Like you don't get it, right? So I wanted to make it perfectly clear why this is not a scam. It's very, very simple. All right. You buy the system, right? Just like you would buy anything. You would buy a college textbook. You would buy a video game. You would buy a house. You buy, right? Now, once you buy the Infinity Processing System, right? It's yours. You got it. You actually now can promote this system and sell it to anybody else, to anybody who you feel that would want a system that will teach them how to make money online and, being more specific, how to market online, how to promote online. This is what IPS is centered around. It's online education, online marketing education. It's very, very simple, right? So there's 3 levels you can come in at, right? So depending on whatever, your situation is, it's easy to get started with Infinity Processing System because they have 3 levels: the $50 level, the $150 level, and the $300 level. Now, when I say level, people might get confused and be like, whoa, levels. Whoa, what's the catch? Levels. All levels is basically is the amount of education that you're gonna get, right? So at the $50 level, you get the $50 amount of training, which actually, if you're new to making money online, the $50 package will definitely teach you a lot, right? And then obviously the $150 level, you get more. And then the $300 level, you get all access to all of the education that IPS has to offer, which that's where I came in at. Now, okay, whatever level you come in at, that's the highest amount of commission you could earn for that level. So if you decide, look, oh, this is cool, I want to get started today, all you need, you might say, oh, well, I only got 50 bucks. Okay, you pay the 50 bucks, you get access to the $50 package. All right, so now for every package that you sell, you can only earn $50 on that because that's the highest level you're at. It's very simple. So if you come in at the $150 level, you could earn commissions at the $50 and the $150, but you can't earn commissions on the $300 level. If you want to have access to earn commissions on the $50, $150, or $300, you need to be able to have the $300 package, right? That's it. So some people might be like, $300, damn, 300, but you got to keep in mind, basically for $300 you have access, you can start your own home business, an online business. So a lot of people that I see, they watch these videos, they comment, and they get a little mad about spending a little money, but these are the same people who search all day for, I want to own my own business, I want to start my own business. Think about it. Businesses take money to start, right? It's possible to make money online without having any money. Yes, that's true. But when you talk about a business and people searching for it, think about how much it costs to start an offline business. Think about it. A building, merchandise. You got to hire employee. I mean, Come on now. So when you think about it through, that way, a $300 one time, because you only pay it one time, $300. It's yours. You could promote that system. If you sold 500 copies of that, look how much money you get, right? What's that? 15? What? How much is that? 500 copies is what? 15 grand? Yeah. Is it? Nah, it's more than that. Hold on. Oh man, I had to do the math on that. If you sold 500 copies of this program at the $300 level, that's $150,000. 500 copies is $150,000. All right, so really think about that. All right, so when you think about the whole, it's a scam, like that's all it is. So even if you're at the $50 level, and you're like, okay, that's the level you want to be at, great. So if you sold 1,000, right? You sold 1,000 copies of IPS at $50 commissions because you get the commission. You just made $50,000. That's it. Because the guy who was talking to me was like, yo, this sounds like a pyramid scheme, and I don't know that. Man, look, man, come on, man. Like, it's a pyramid scheme. No, you are buying education. You're learning how to market, and then you have the right to sell it. That's all it is. No different than you buying a course off of Udemy or buying a book off Amazon. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. You're selling a system. That's it, right? People do it all day, every day online. People are making a ton of money. So that's all it is, guys. So if you was on the fence about Infinity processing system, or you don't understand it, that's what it is. You're actually learning how to market online. That's what the course is all about. That's what the system teaches you. It teaches you how to promote things online using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Craigslist, and I thought it was something else. Can't remember. But it basically covers all of the bases, all of the platforms that you need to know how to market on to make money, right? Now, once you are a member, you can resell that. Now, here's my warning, or whatever you want to call it. If you're not on it like that, if you don't want to promote online, if you're not willing to follow steps, if you're not willing to promote on YouTube, right? If you're not willing to promote on Facebook and make posts on Facebook and engage with people, right? If you're not willing to do TikTok videos, then this isn't for you. Do not join it. I'm telling you, because people comment and they message me and they're like, yo, I want to do this, but like I've never been on a computer before, or I don't do any online. I'm like, yo, are you willing to learn how to market online? Nah, not really. Then it ain't for you. Don't do it, guys. Don't do any of these programs where it talks about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because you're going to have to sit down, learn this system, pick a strategy, and you're going to have to do it, period. A lot of people get these systems and they get mad because they don't want to do anything, right? Like I'm doing a video right now promoting this program because it's legit. I believe in it, right? I gave somebody a commission by joining IPS. That's how you know it's real. You know what I mean? I know it's real because I know the person who got the commission from me, right? But listen to me. Before you jump on my team or anybody else's team, if you're not on that online marketing thing, you're not willing to actually learn the program, don't do it. I'm telling you, do not do it. Because if you get it, you get this system at the $50 level, which is easy to come in at, or you want to go big with the $300. If you get any of them programs at any level and you don't do anything and you don't do any marketing, that does not make it a scam. That just means you weren't really that serious. So look, if you want to get started with IPS at whatever level, the $50, $150, or $300, check the link below, put your email in, You'll see the sales page, read it, read it for yourself. If you want to jump in, once I see you jump in at whatever level, we will be able to connect on Facebook. And if you need, we can set up an actual phone call and I will point you in the right direction. I will help you get started. But be serious. Don't waste my time. You know what I'm saying? If you're serious, I'm serious about helping you, and you can make some real money doing this. All right. So if you want to get started, you already know the deal. Link below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.